Alyssa admits that she and her mother brainstormed about how to get Ron out of their lives and avoid a divorce.
One of the plans they came up with was to poison Ron with mushrooms, or they had another plan that she would have sex with Ron.
You know, whenever you see
Deposit on Alyssa's sheets and then have Alyssa
a bag that isn't a Ziploc bag,
couldn't base anything for them to make that accusation, so they didn't go that route.
Alyssa tells detectives that eventually her mother landed on an idea that
a bag
she
that you
stuck
gotta,
with.
Connie had
you know, that was
approached
heat sealed.
Alyssa and asked her if she had any friends that she could trust or any friends that she felt
That shows you that they're
would plan to use.
efficient,
According to
I reckon.
Connie approached the two other people who she thought would also benefit from Ron's absence. Connie's
And cheap, and that way they can
Her mom come
pass the savings on to you.
told her she was thinking about killing him,
Um,
and she had asked Roger Zerker
OPG.
to ask Isaac to do it.
Imagine that.
Isaac and Roger refused.
Uh,
Connie suggested to Alyssa that they try someone else. Alyssa's 16-year-old classmate, Melissa Zimmerman.
She'd been kicked out of her house. She was living with another lady. They were telling her how rad of a person.
I guess these are,
What she'd be doing if she helped them.
they're not
Alyssa tells detectives that her
the
mother
rivets,
offered
they're
Melissa
screws now,
$100 to shoot
which is
Ron,
cool.
and Melissa agreed.
I'll take that as an
On the
upgrade.
afternoon of February 14th, Isaac dropped Alyssa and Melissa off at the Toomage house after school.
Melissa snuck into Alyssa's bedroom because Ron was already home. Connie brought her.
I am starting to feel a little bit better about it.
Alyssa's story was that she was not in the house when the shooting took place. She was in the car taking care of Sandia.
Alyssa says she doesn't know what took place after she left the house, only that Connie and Melissa emerged moments later.
Connie and Melissa come out of
You know, I mean, the machine work here is,
dead. Alyssa has no idea which one of them pulled the trigger.
this pen and this pen,
Hear the gunshots. But still, as far as who did it,
if somebody cared about this,
Then Connie
like the original GM ones, they were probably parallel.
they then eased up.
But in today's society, I mean, it doesn't take much to tell that. Just look at that. They're not. They just drilled a hole, and they just took a
Receipts to go down by.
you know,
Regardless of who pulled the trigger, the interview with Alyssa makes one thing.
a split pin and drove it in there.
The catalyst.
And you know, this is something somebody made in their garage. It's only welded on one side,
Investigators
not welded on two
received permission
sides.
to speak with 16-year-old Melissa Zimmerman.
She was part of the foul a lot of times. She would be all
Yeah,
over the place during
look at the angle on this one.
back to the facts of what you're talking about.
Finally, Melissa admits to being inside the Toomage home on the day of the murder.
Stamped.
okay, and what do you mean by intention? Okay, and
Oh my God! I mean,
do you have any idea where that shot went?
you know, I'm not expecting miracles here, but
According to Melissa, the only shot she took hit the wall, not Ron. At that point, she handed the gun to Connie, who was also in the kitchen.
He turned around and he
is there supposed to be a notch right there?
turned to the side and she shot him.
I told him that Connie asked me to scare him. And
Um.
then I shot him once and then handed her the gun. And she shot him. While Melissa's story appears to answer the question as to who shot Ron,
All right. Well,
find a problem with
thanks, guys.
She claimed that she fired the gun
I guess it's better than what I had, right?
and handed the gun to Connie. And in that short of an area for Ron to be able to
So,
respond, and there were 4 shots fired, that it didn't allow time to pass the
wish
gun.
me luck, guys.